Past few days, I learned about live stream to increase your subscribers fast from YouTube. In this video, we are going to check out how useful or effective live stream is to increase your subscribers. In this video, I'm going to talk about the challenge I'm taking. It's about getting 1K subscribers in 1 week and it starts now. This channel is basically just start from scratch. Most asked question is, can live stream your own sub count make you 1K subscribers in the shortest amount of time? I would say I believe it can, as people around the world get to see your live stream and will probably subscribe to you. But the bad news is it can no longer work now. I'm sorry, as YouTube regulation keep change every time, so it probably worked well in the past, but not now. Here's why, and also my experience when I tried to do that. You can see here, it's a 2-hour plus live stream, okay? It also shows why it could possibly work in the past. I get 2 subscribers in the first hour and 6 more subscribers in the second hours. So, if this keep continue for 24 hours, there will be couple hundreds of subscribers sit on your channels. Why not just stream for 2 hours? Well, it's because my stream get clamped down and YouTube also giving me a strike. So why strike? Getting strike will get you into troubles on uploading and streaming on YouTube. After thinking about it, I don't find any violation in that content, so I appeal the videos to YouTube. And guess what? YouTube reviewed that it is their mistake and recover the strike from my channel. But hey, it is still troublesome, as I keep appealing it until YouTube stops striking me again and again. Finally, you can live stream gaming with sub count or whatever. Just don't live stream only with your sub counts, please. So if you are still watching it right now, hit on the subscribe and like buttons, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell cause there will be upload every few days. So see you in the next video.